Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a high-quality source. Record 5 to 15 minutes of clear, neutral speech with minimal background noise. This gives the model enough data to learn timbre and cadence. Once done, keep a consistent mic distance and use a pop filter to avoid plosives. Make sure to export as WAV or FLAC at 1624 kHz and 16 or 24-bit. These choices reduce artifacts and make training converge faster, so do them before you run any model code. Next, you pick and set up the model pipeline, a voice encoder plus vocoder or a direct TTS voice cloning system. You prepare data splits, typically 80% for training and 20% for validation, and apply light augmentation if samples are sparse. Then you run training on a GPU, start with conservative hyperparameters, and watch validation loss. This prevents overfitting. Once checkpoints are saved, you can sample intermediate outputs. Make sure to log voices so you can compare early and later check. Finally, you synthesize a variety of test prompts to evaluate naturalness, pitch, and timing. Listen for vowels, breath placement, and consonant clarity. If something sounds off, fine-tune with targeted short samples that correct the artifact and iterate. Deploy using a lightweight server or batch export, and make sure latency and sample rate match your target. If quality degrades, reduce learning rate or add regularization, and rerun a short fine-tune cycle to stabilize the voice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.